Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we provide in-depth analysis on various financial instruments, combining both news and technical data to paint a comprehensive picture of the market. Today's date is September 30th, 2024, and we're focusing on Bitcoin, the world's leading cryptocurrency, to see what's happening and where it might be headed. First, let's look at the current news surrounding Bitcoin. The recent interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve has injected a wave of optimism into the crypto markets, boosting Bitcoin's price. This surge is also being fueled by stablecoin inflows and positive sentiment from major institutional investors. Additionally, there have been recent positive developments in the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrency, with several countries moving towards a more favorable approach. These developments have further boosted confidence in the Bitcoin market. Now, let's shift our focus to the technical analysis of the Bitcoin chart. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that Bitcoin has been on a consistent upward trend over the past several months. The recent surge has pushed Bitcoin above the key resistance level of $65,000, suggesting strong buying pressure. This breakout is further reinforced by the increase in trading volume observed during this price rally. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart, we can see a more detailed picture of Bitcoin's price movement. The recent breakout above the $65,000 resistance has been accompanied by a series of green candles, indicating consistent bullish momentum. The upward momentum is also evident in the high trading volume observed on the 1-hour chart, further reinforcing the bullish sentiment. The 15-minute chart provides an even more granular view of Bitcoin's price movement. Here, we can see a series of smaller green candles, suggesting a continuation of the upward momentum. The high trading volume on the 15-minute chart further indicates that the bullish momentum is likely to persist. Looking back at the daily chart, it's important to note that Bitcoin has recently bounced off the key support level of $60,000. This bounce suggests that the market is not yet ready to enter a significant correction. However, it's essential to remain cautious, as the market can be unpredictable. A break below the $60,000 support level could signal a short-term correction. Let's shift our attention back to the 1-hour chart, specifically focusing on the past few hours. It's interesting to observe that Bitcoin has been consolidating around the $66,000 price level, suggesting potential indecision among traders. This consolidation could be a prelude to a further price rally or a potential short-term correction. We need to closely monitor the price action and volume over the next few hours to determine the next move. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can see a few red candles, indicating a minor pullback in price. However, this pullback is relatively small, and the volume suggests that it's likely just a minor correction. This pullback could be an opportunity for buyers to accumulate more Bitcoin, setting the stage for a potential continuation of the upward trend. Looking back at the daily chart, we can identify a few key price levels to watch. The immediate resistance level is at $70,000, which was the previous all-time high. Breaking above this level would signal a significant bullish breakout. The next key resistance level is at $75,000, which is a psychological level and could act as a strong barrier. A break above $75,000 would open up the potential for even higher prices. On the downside, the key support level remains at $60,000. A break below this level could signal a significant bearish correction. However, with the recent strong bullish momentum, it is highly likely that Bitcoin will hold above this support level in the short term. Overall, the current market conditions are very bullish, with strong buying pressure and positive news sentiment. The technical analysis also suggests a high likelihood of continued upward price movement. However, it's essential to remember that the market is dynamic and can change quickly. Closely monitoring the price action and trading volume is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Looking ahead, it's important to keep an eye on the release of major economic data, as it can significantly impact the Bitcoin market. Any positive economic developments are likely to further strengthen the bullish momentum in the Bitcoin market. In conclusion, Bitcoin is currently in a strong bullish trend, with positive news sentiment and a breakout above key resistance levels. The short-term outlook is highly bullish, with potential for further price appreciation. However, it's essential to remain vigilant and monitor the price action and trading volume to identify any potential shifts in momentum. A break below the $60,000 support level could signal a short-term correction. The key price levels to watch are the $60,000 support, $70,000 resistance, and $75,000 resistance. Remember, this analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Thank you for watching and subscribing to Explain the Charts. We'll be back with more in-depth analysis on various financial instruments.